Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can apply the lens protection to your brand new phone. So I'm going to be using some cheap looking one, as you can see, but obviously the method works for no matter which one you get. Anyway, from there we can just take it out. We do have wet and dry wipes. I don't really like to use those, so I'm going to eat that to the side. And I'm going to be using a gigantic microfiber cloth for this. Then we get our lens protection itself stuck to this little plastic. Before you begin anything, I recommend just kind of making sure that the way you're holding it right now is the way that it's supposed to go on, which for me this is, as you can see. So considering this is basically the top of the sticker, you'd probably logically place it like that. The reason I'm mentioning this is because sometimes these things might be just stuck different directions. So for instance, you might be needing to glue it like this once you peel it off. So make sure that, for instance, this area right here where you have this little O-ring in here, this one goes where your flash is, and I believe this is so when the flash goes off, it doesn't actually illuminate the plastic and kind of messes up the photo. So I recommend just keeping that in there as well. Don't peel that off, because you can technically take it out. So anyway, in my case, it's gonna go like this. So now let's clean off the lenses and the area, the glass area around the lenses. So this one right here in the bump. The reason you want to clean that off as well is because that's where the actual lens protection will be sticking to, and the cameras just want to be, you just need to have them clean. So the actual, like, once you apply the lens protection, you don't have any debris between. That will be reducing the quality of your photos. Now that everything is ready, let's peel it off. And when applying it, I recommend just kind of like wiggling it around, because it does get stuck on the like bezels of the lenses themselves, and you need to get around that. There we go. It should be laying flush, and then just press it firmly down. It might have some kind of like weird wonky, as you can see, this kind of effect right here where the glue is sticking or not sticking enough. You can see you can press it harder and just kind of gets rid of it. But there we go. That's basically how you apply your lens protection to the device. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.